Say unstoppable.
Unstoppable.
Imagine it's there. Say yes.
Yes.
All the way. Close your lips. Close your lips. Amazing. Open your mouth. Say power.
Today we're going to talk about accident plans. What is an accident plan? How do they work? Is it important to have one or not? So an accident plan, there's actually two different types of accident plans. One will actually cover all of your deductible and max out of pocket minus a small amount, typically $250 to $275. The other type of accident plan is what we call a fixed benefit accident plan. So for, say an x-ray, the carrier will pay you or the provider a specific amount. So those can add up over time. So the type of accident plan that I would highly recommend is the first one that pays your deductible and max out of pocket costs. And why this is important is most Americans have less than $1,000 in their bank account for emergency situations. This isn't just medical emergencies. The car broke down, little Johnny's sick and I'm out of sick days at work, so I need to use some of my emergency money to buy groceries and things like that because I'm not getting a paycheck. So having an accident plan in place will pay all of your expenses for anything related to that injury. So let me give you an example. Unfortunately, it was me, but it will be good to help you understand how these plans work. So I blew my knee out a number of years ago. Of course, it was right after the doctor office closed, so I had to go to the emergency room. The next day I had to see an orthopedic surgeon for a consultation. Then I had surgery, then I had a knee brace, pain meds, physical therapy, all those things. And each of those services are all related to that one accident. So in my case, I paid $275 for everything and the carrier paid the rest. So that is a beautiful way for that to work. The only things that an accident plan will not cover is any type of intentional injury to yourself. So if you try to commit suicide, you're not successful, they're not going to pay, but neither are any of medical insurance plans. And the other time that they don't pay is if it is you're drunk and you do something stupid. If you're under the influence, they're not going to pay, but again, none of your medical insurances are going to pay. So anything else, it could be, you have a sports related injury, you slip on the ice and break a bone, slice your finger really bad, little Johnny falls off the swing set and breaks his arm. If you're self-employed, it'll cover you while you're at work. Certain plans, carriers are better at covering you on accidents that are sports-related injuries. So we want to make sure when we're talking to you that if that is something that you or your children are involved in, we want to make sure to lean towards that carrier and away from others that are a little more particular about sports-related injuries. So that is what an accident plan is, why it's important, and you should have one too.